Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today we are making these Christmas baubles. So this mold is from Resincrete Christmas kit, and I have shown the kit in my previous video. I will link the video above here so you can see, and if you like to purchase yourself. So this is such a cute mold, and the kit contains many Christmas molds. So that was a lovely kit. So starting off, what I will be doing is I will be mixing my Resincrete here. So this is a casting powder, and the measurement for this, it's 10 grams of powder and 3 grams of water. So you can take the amount you want and upscale it. So I do work with this casting powder a lot, so that's why I just eyeball it. At the moment I have taken around, you can say, 150 grams of casting powder, and to this I will be adding the amount of water I need, and I will be filling up these molds. So I really like the consistency of this casting powder when mixed with water, and it's runny, so it reaches all the nooks and crannies. So now I will be simply filling up the molds here, and I will leave them to dry for 30 minutes. See you after 30 minutes. So this is after 30 minutes, and let's see how this looks like. So you can already see from the back the finish is so perfect. So let me just demold all of these first. So here we go, they all are out of the mold, and you can see the details are so amazing, and you can see how beautiful the molds are. So the idea here is that the kit comes with acrylic paints, and you just paint them in the Christmas colors. So this is such a fun idea. If you're having a party at your house, you can make these, and all of the people can color them and create beautiful ornaments. But I just do always something different. So let's move on to the next step. So they are looking crispy white and lovely. You can use them like that as well, but I will be doing something really messy with them. So here I'm using this brown oil paint, and already you can see that the paint is flying everywhere, but don't worry. What I'm doing here is I am actually antiquing them with this oil paint. So with the help of the brush, I will be rubbing this oil paint onto all of these ornaments. So all of these are done now, and now with the help of a wet wipe, I will be wiping the extra oil paint. So in this way you can see it's giving it a aging effect. And now I will be removing the paint from all of these ornaments. So these are the acrylic paints that come in the kit, and now I will be using this to color some of the feature of these ornaments. And the kit also includes different sizes of the brush, so you can create tiny details with these brushes. So I will be using some of the color in the kit here. And now I'm using this brass alcohol ink by Pinata, and I will be highlighting different parts of the snowflakes and berries or the jingle bells with this brass alcohol ink. So although they are on an antique side, but I am trying to add some color to these ornaments here. So I'm using some different color. These are pearlescent colors. So I will be using these colors to highlight the leaves and some green parts of the ornaments. So this whole process is up to you if you want to age them or you do want to do them white as they were. So I am just coloring the Snow White into white now. So after applying the white acrylic paint, I'm using pearl alcohol ink by Pinata onto the snowman here, and I just want to see what effect I get. So now I'm adding the tiny details, and after that I will leave this to dry so all the colors get dried. So this is a Gilding Glue by Pebio, and a lot of you know that I use these a lot in my projects. So what I did here is I just simply outlined these coasters with this Pebio glue, and I just left it to dry. After drying, it gets sticky. So after that, you use the gold mirror, that's by Pebio as well, and you just simply rub them onto the coasters when they are dried. When this is dried, it gets sticky, and then the gold transfers itself onto the coasters. At the moment I'm making ornaments, so these are going to be transferred onto the ornaments, and here you can see what I'm talking about. So I will be doing this to all of them. So mostly when I use these mirror foils, these are always the one that I use. So this is a fresh one, and I want to show you how aesthetic it looks when you use a fresh one, because it gives a really clean finish. So just simply with a gentle rub, you don't have to rub them really hard, just a gentle rub, and you just peel it off and see the magic. And here you go, you can see how clean it is. So again, yes, I will be doing this to all of them. So now you can see them how these are all done, and they are looking amazing as everything is coming together. So it's time to do the top coat now. So I'm using Let's Resin low viscosity resin. So whenever you're doing a top coat, make sure to use a low viscosity resin. So after that, I will leave them to dry and see you next day. So this is the next day, and you can already see by doing the top coat, they're looking amazing. So I bought these berries from Hobbycraft. This is a local craft store in UK, and some ribbons. So I will be enhancing more of them, adding some extra features. It's really up to you wherever you want to stop them, but you know, I usually never stop and keep on adding stuff. So here what I'll be doing is I will be making set of 3 berries, and then I will be twisting them, putting them on the top of the ornaments, and I will be cutting the extra wire. Here like this. But before doing that, I will be adding the ribbons for the ornaments to be hanged. So this is again really up to you, whatever color of ribbon you want. And in this way I have put up the ribbon, and now I am setting up the berries as I want them to be. And with the help of a UV resin, I will be putting up my berries. And now I will be curing them under the UV light. And on this stage you can add whatever you like to add. I will be adding some pearls. So I will be making all of these in the same style, and let's see the final look, how they look like. So this is the final look, and I really enjoyed making these ornaments. They were so fun to make. There was so much to add color. So it's really up to you how you want to make them. So I hope you like them, and if you did, please do let me know in comments. And also I will link the Resincrete in my description if you like to treat yourself. And please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.